hybrid cloud connectivity, and workload mobility. In today's enterprise IT landscape, organizations increasingly rely on hybrid cloud architectures to balance flexibility, scalability, and security while optimizing costs. Hybrid cloud connectivity and workload mobility are essential for seamlessly integrating on-premises data centers with public cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, enabling businesses to move workloads dynamically based on performance, security, and cost considerations. VMware Cloud Solutions provide a unified platform for hybrid cloud operations, ensuring secure, low-latency connectivity, automated workload migration, and consistent management across environments. Hybrid cloud connectivity is achieved through high-speed encrypted networking solutions, including VMware NSX, Direct Connect for AWS, ExpressRoute for Azure, and Interconnect for Google Cloud. These technologies establish secure private links between on-premises and cloud environments, reducing network latency and enhancing performance. Additionally, VMware SD-WAN optimizes hybrid cloud traffic, ensuring secure, high-performance access to cloud applications from any location. Workload mobility plays a crucial role in multi-cloud and disaster recovery strategies, allowing enterprises to seamlessly move virtual machines, containers, and applications across hybrid cloud environments. VMware HCX provides live migration and replication capabilities, enabling businesses to move workloads without downtime while maintaining security and compliance. Organizations can implement automated policies for workload placement based on factors such as cost efficiency, data locality, and performance metrics, ensuring optimal resource utilization. By leveraging VMware Cloud on AWS, Azure VMware Solution AVE, and Google Cloud VMware Engine GCVE, enterprises can extend their existing VMware environments to the cloud without refactoring applications. This approach accelerates digital transformation, simplifies disaster recovery, and enhances business continuity. Additionally, Kubernetes-based platforms such as VMware Tanzu enable containerized workload mobility, allowing developers to build and deploy applications consistently across on-premises and cloud infrastructures. To maximize hybrid cloud efficiency, organizations should adopt best practices for connectivity and workload mobility, including establishing secure VPN or dedicated connections, leveraging AI-driven workload optimization, and implementing zero-trust security models. By integrating automation, network security, and policy-driven workload placement, businesses can achieve seamless hybrid cloud operations, reduce costs, and improve application availability. Hybrid cloud connectivity and workload mobility are essential components of modern IT infrastructure, enabling organizations to scale dynamically, enhance resilience, and innovate faster. Let's continue.